Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add more markets in Shopify so you can start selling to customers in different regions with ease. To get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard and look at the left-hand menu. Then click on Markets to see your existing setups. From there, click Create Market in the top right corner to add a new one. Give your market a clear and recognizable name, then choose the countries or regions you want this market to cover based on where you plan to sell. Next, select the appropriate currency for that region, which helps customers feel more confident shopping in their local currency. After that, choose the products or catalogs you want to make available, set up the domain URL, and select the languages you want to support to improve accessibility. You'll also want to configure taxes and duties according to local regulations to avoid any pricing or compliance issues. And finally, select a theme that best fits that market before saving your changes. And that's it. That's how you can easily add and manage more markets in Shopify to grow your store internationally. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.